Photography serves as a medium to capture and convey emotions. It transforms transient feelings into enduring visual records. A photograph of a smiling child can encapsulate the emotion of joy. An image of an elder at sunset may reflect serenity. Emotional snapshots communicate universally, surpassing language barriers. Photography preserves emotional moments for future reflection and connection. Contextual storytelling enhances a photograph's narrative by adding depth and meaning. The environment grounds the subject in a specific reality. A fisherman by the river provides immediate context. A student outside a school also provides immediate context. These environmental details enrich the story being told. The context turns a simple photograph into a narrative. Photography is a powerful medium for constructing narratives. Narratives can be built through single, impactful images. Alternatively, sequences of related shots can create a story. A single iconic image, such as a sunset silhouette, can convey a complete idea. A series of photos showing food preparation, serving, and eating exemplifies a sequential narrative. Each photo in a sequence captures a moment, collectively building a complete story. Photo editing is a process used to refine and enhance digital images. The transformative power of editing is visually demonstrated through side-by-side comparisons. The comparison showcases a raw, unedited photograph next to a professionally edited version. This juxtaposition highlights the dramatic difference achievable through post-processing techniques. Photo editing software allows for real-time adjustments to image properties. Brightness adjustments modify the overall lightness or darkness of the image. Contrast adjustments alter the difference between the lightest and darkest areas. Exposure adjustments control the amount of light captured in the photograph. Color correction techniques are used to adjust and refine the colors in a photograph. The process can transform dull colors into vibrant and appealing tones. Color grading goes beyond correction, stylizing the image with specific color palettes. Warm and cool tones can be applied to evoke different emotional responses. Color manipulation can correct natural tones and enhance the overall aesthetic. These techniques significantly enhance the photograph's impact and artistic expression. Modern cameras offer a variety of shooting modes to cater to different photographic needs. Each mode is designed to provide a specific level of control over the camera's settings. These modes are optimized for various photographic scenarios. The mode dial allows photographers to quickly select the appropriate mode. Understanding these modes is crucial for effective photography. The complexity of the mode dial can be simplified with clear explanations. Auto mode is a fully automated setting on cameras. In auto mode, the camera controls all exposure settings. These settings include aperture, shutter speed, and ISO. Auto mode is designed for ease of use, especially for beginners. It automatically adapts to varying lighting conditions. However, auto mode offers limited creative control over the final image. Program mode, P, is a semi-automatic camera setting. In P mode, the camera automatically determines the optimal exposure settings. Users retain control over other settings, such as ISO and white balance. The camera continues to manage exposure while the user adjusts ISO and white balance. Focus in photography refers to the sharpness and clarity of the subject in an image. Proper focus ensures the subject appears clear and detailed. Incorrect focus leads to a blurry and undefined image. Mastering focus control is essential for effective photography. Understanding focus allows photographers to precisely capture their intended subject. Modern cameras employ autofocus systems to automatically optimize lens sharpness. These systems utilize intelligent technologies such as face detection. Eye tracking is another key technology used for precise focus adjustment. Autofocus is beneficial for capturing portraits with sharp facial features. It is also useful in dynamic scenes like sports events, where quick and accurate focusing is essential. AFS, single shot mode, is designed for stationary subjects. In AFS, focus locks when the shutter button is half pressed. AFC, continuous mode is optimal for capturing moving subjects. AFA, automatic mode, intelligently switches between AFS and AFC. The lens is a crucial component of a camera system. It primarily determines the field of view captured in an image. The lens also significantly influences the appearance of the subject. Different lenses are designed to serve different photographic purposes. The choice of lens shapes how the scene is captured and ultimately perceived by the viewer. Therefore, lens selection is a key aspect of photographic artistry and technical execution. Wide-angle lenses excel at capturing a broad field of view. They are particularly useful for expansive landscapes and architectural shots. Wide-angle lenses are also effective in tight spaces where a wider view is needed. However, wide-angle lenses can introduce distortion, especially in close-up shots of faces. Telephoto lenses are designed to bring distant subjects into closer view. They are commonly used in wildlife and sports photography to capture details from afar. Telephoto lenses compress the perceived distance between the camera and the subject. This compression makes objects in the frame appear closer than their actual distance. Telephoto lenses can also create a blurred background effect, useful for portrait photography. White balance is the process of adjusting the color temperature in an image. The goal is to accurately represent colors as they appear in real life. Incorrect white balance results in photos appearing too blue or too orange. This indicates that the camera's settings need adjustment. Adjustments are made to properly identify true white within the scene. Correcting white balance ensures more natural and accurate color representation. White balance settings in cameras correct color casts caused by different light sources. Auto white balance, AWB, automatically adjusts color temperature based on the detected light source. AWB can adapt to various lighting conditions, such as daylight or indoor lighting. Preset modes offer specific corrections tailored to common lighting environments. These presets include daylight, cloudy, tungsten, and fluorescent settings for accurate color rendition. The Kelvin scale is used to manually adjust color temperature in photography. Lower Kelvin values, 2,500 to 4,000 kelvins, produce cooler, blue tones in images. Higher Kelvin values, 5,000 to 7,000 kelvins, create warmer, orange tones. Manipulating white balance adds mood and emotion to photographs. Warm tones can evoke coziness, while cool tones can create drama. Digital photographs are stored as computer files. JPEG and RAW are the most common file formats for digital photos. This module will explain the differences between JPEG and RAW formats. The module will clarify the attributes of each format. The module will clarify the applications of each format. JPEG files use compression techniques to reduce file size. Smaller file sizes facilitate easy sharing and direct usability from cameras. JPEG compression involves data loss, impacting image quality. Data loss limits editing flexibility compared to uncompressed formats. RAW files retain all image data captured by the camera sensor. RAW files provide extensive editing control, especially for exposure and color adjustments. Edits made to RAW files are non-destructive, allowing reversion to the original image. RAW files capture a wider dynamic range, preserving details in highlights and shadows. RAW format allows precise adjustments to white balance, saturation, and hue without quality loss.